Standard form of the equation of the parabola, but in this case, the parabola is moved with a vertex h and k. If it's moved with a vertex h and k, it means that the origin is not now, it is the vertex. H and k, h is the point with the x bracket by finding the inverse to the point -2, and k is the point inverse to the point +1. Let's start with example 1. Y plus 1 to the power of 2 is equal to -12x minus 2. So as we can see clearly that the coefficient of the bracket of x minus 2 is negative, so the function now, or the parabola now, drawing to the left, and the direct x is going to be drawing to the right. We are going to find the equation for p is equal to -12, so the value of p is equal to -3. In this case, the vertex is 2 and -1. 2 when x minus 2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 2, and y plus 1 is equal to 0, so y is equal to -1. It means that the vertex moved from the origin and moved 2 units on the x-axis and go down 1 unit on the y-axis. Normally, the focus point is supposed to be -3 and 0, but we are going to make a translation on it, 2 and -1, so the point is going to be -1 and -1. So the new focus now for this parabola is -1 and -1. Directrix supposed to be x is equal -p, so x is equal to 3. But we are going to make a translation 2 units on the x-axis, so it's going to be x is equal 5. So the directrix is x is equal 5, as we can see, and the focus point, the vertex now is -2, the focus point is -1 and 1. -1 and 1 is the focus point, and the vertex is 2 and -1. So the vertex is here, 2 and -1. This is the vertex point, and here is the focus point, which is -1 and -1, and this is the vertex point.